Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular compact washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Auertech Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces like apartments and RVs, but they come with different features and capacities. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to washing capacity, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub can handle up to 8 pounds of laundry, while the Auertech Portable Washing Machine boasts a much larger capacity of 18 pounds. This means that if you have more laundry to do, the Auertech will save you time and effort by allowing you to wash larger loads in one go. Another important factor to consider is the drainage method. The Super Deal relies on a gravity drain, which means you'll need to position it at a lower elevation for proper drainage. In contrast, the Auertech features a built-in drain pump that makes it much easier to remove water after washing. This convenience can be a significant advantage, especially in tight spaces. Finally, let's talk about dimensions. The Super Deal measures 23 by 13.5 by 26 inches, making it a compact option for those with limited space. On the other hand, the Auertech is slightly larger, at 27 by 15 by 32 inches. While it offers more capacity, you need to ensure you have enough room for it in your home or RV. In conclusion, both the Super Deal and Auertech washing machines have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a compact solution for small loads, the Super Deal is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of a drain pump, the Auertech is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.